is up, guys? Welcome back to Bhbv, and we know it's been a while, but we're back in business. We're back up. That's what I'm saying. Today, right, we got the Volvo in the boathouse. We're gonna be working hard, all right. We've got Alex down there. He's working hard as always. We're fitting a new drive shaft because this one is a little bit problematic. I'll say that. Over here, we have one Harrison John having a lovely time. He's working hard as well, as always. Yep. We just had the mechanic actually just come up. Can we get a quick rundown of the situation? That's a good rundown, all right. So it's gonna go well. I've got a good feeling. It's a beautiful day, and I'll come back to you very shortly with the next clip. Peace.
Well, the whole bottom of the gearbox is completely wet of oil.
Over here, we've got Bhbv working hard, doing it by hand. Look at this work.
I'm gonna be honest, it's very difficult because let me get some light on here.
Yeah, get some light in there.
Basically, if you see on this wheel here, there's different layers to the wheel, and it's like it's been sprayed before. We're trying to get rid of all the layers to go back down to the no layers. Very difficult.
Pretty difficult. Unlucky buddy, unlucky buddy.
If I just say something, to take his wheels off his car, you've got to drive it into here on planks of wood. So I've driven it into it, but it's not on planks of wood. So now I'm going to go back out, get planks of wood, go up and over plank of... No! No! Just stop! Okay. Stop pissing around.
I'm doing it for the video.
I'm being serious about this and you're pissing around now. Stop fucking sounding that. That's what you've fucking done. So I've done that to fine paper and now you've fucked it to the fucking dickhead.
Why would I go through my head?
Turn it off. He hit a hole in his back box. Matt will show you in a sec. Something else. We're cutting your exhaust off or something.
Oh my god, H!
What?
Oh, that's so bad.
It was a shit cut job as well.
Oh,
because he thinks there's... What do you think was inside it? Fucking
I thought it was full of packing.
Full of packing, so we could take the packing and make it sound louder. Is there packing in a back box?
No, this one.
No, it's not.
There was in my beef back box. It was full of it.
That wasn't the back box you broke it out, or was it
What?
just a fucked exhaust?
It was the back box because it was the box on the back. It's alright, I'm gonna weld it up now. Never happened.
So now we're all gonna get gassed by welding fumes. Ideal. I'm about to hand the wheel.
This is polymorphism.
So we have this, which is the forbidden soup. You could lick that. And then you have this, which is the other side of the forbidden soup. And in there is gravel.
Ah, you fucking cunt.
There is not meant to be Zilla gravel in the drive shaft. Here's Alex. Huh?
Fucking shitty fucking stuff there.
He's hurt himself again.
And my shoulder fucking hurts, Harrison Dawson.
Because I rugby tackled him the other day. That looks like a defender.
Alex tried drinking the forbidden soup. That's what happens. He turned slightly gone in the head, and that's what happens. He says he's getting too old for this shit. And
Well, have you invested in a 4-poster
I think he's
ramp
about
for the
14.
boathouse?
So
No, we wouldn't have this problem. You're meant to be a professional concreter with Tim Logan, yeah? You know, downhill.
I don't like confrontation, so I'm going to sign out.
Concrete
Peace.
in, you